Hello everyone, my name is Jacob and this is my circuit and code for my flying robot called the Scout that scouts out trash and reports it back to a system to get picked up by a ground robot. So to start off with, this is what the robot looks like. It's got these two hovering motors right here for ascending off the ground, a main propeller on the back for flying forward, and it's got two ultrasonic sensors, one on the top and one on the bottom along with a camera. These both feed into the flight computer to direct the robot as it flies. And then here is my algorithm that I made up to base my program off of. Start with, it's got two ultrasonic sensors, one up, one down, two servo motors for the port and starboard aileron. These two motors right here are for the hovering motors. This motor is for the propeller motor, and this potentiometer and voltmeter I've used to simulate dropping battery voltage, uh, since it does monitor battery voltage and it will fly home uh, based on a low battery voltage. The IR remote is used to simulate the outputs from the flight computer. Start off with, I have all my integers, float values, void set up for all the pins, and then I've got it constantly measuring battery charge, the distance up and the distance down. The IR remote has multiple programs within it for turning and ascending and descending, stopping and starting the propeller, stopping and starting the hovering motors. Then I have each one of those down there for the ailerons and the propeller and the battery, or correction, for both the motors and for the battery charge and for the ultrasonic sensors to measure up and down. And then this portion right here, correction, this portion right here, if there's no input to the ailerons, they'll return back to a zero position for the robot to fly straight. So we turn on the hovering motors, hit the power button, they turn on. To stop them, turn off. To start the uh, propeller motor, start, stop. You can also both of them out at the same time. And then for the servo motors, they're in a neutral position right now, so we wanted to ascend. Both the ailerons would go down and the robot would fly up. If we wanted to descend, do this, and they both go up, and the robot would fly down. And turn left and turn right. Then, as you can see, after a second, it turns back to its normal position. But if it was turning right and it needed to immediately go straight, it would go straight there once this button is pressed. So that is my robot and its circuit and all the coding right here, as you can see. I've included notes as well as what each of the things do, or what button you need to press to activate it. And as you can see down here, battery voltage, up and down distances are there. Give me a little bit more room. So I can change these distances, and the values of those will change, as you can see. It might help if you slow down the video. Alright, that's it. Bye.